Everyone keeps asking the same question about AI. Is it going to take my job? I think that's the wrong question, and it's making people anxious instead of dangerous. Here's the better one. What can AI still not do? And how do I get so good at exactly those things that AI becomes my leverage instead of my replacement? I'm a telecoms engineer and I run multiple businesses with Claude doing a huge chunk of the work. After months of that, I found four skills I keeps failing at. Master these four, and you stop competing with AI. You start compounding with it. Let's go.
Quick context because it matters. I'm not a guru with a course. I'm an operator. I shop in telecom networks. On the side, I run an electric car rental business, sell on marketplaces, handle lights on WhatsApp, and I build my own tools with AI. Claude touches almost all of it: drafts, analysis, code, customer replies, the boring 80%. And that's exactly how I found the edges. When you push AI across real work, money on the line, real customers, you feel precisely where it stops being enough. Every time it failed at one of the same four things. Here they are, weakest looking to most important. Skill 1: judgment. I will give you 10 confident answers. Only one is right, and I can reliably tell you which. Is fluent, not accountable. It'll defend a wrong answer as smoothly as a correct one. Real example: I drafted three pricing options for my rental business, all reasonable, but only I know the local market, the one competitor down the road, the customer who churned last month. Judgment is applying context AI doesn't have, and then owning the call. Here's the mental model I use. I handles the first 80%, the drafts, the options, the analysis. The last 20%, the decision is mine. That last 20% is the part that's actually my job. If you outsource your judgment to AI, you don't have a superpower. You have a liability that sounds confident. Skill 2: taste. AI can generate a thousand versions of something. It cannot tell you which one is good. Ask it, is this good? And it'll say yes. It's a people pleaser with infinite output. Taste is the filter. It's why two people with the same AI get completely different results. One ships generic slop nobody remembers. The other ships something with a point of view. Same tool, different standard behind it. I don't ask IA for taste. I bring the standard. IA brings the volume. For a landing page, I'll have it generate 20 headlines, and my job is to know that 19 are forgettable and one isn't, and why. Develop taste, and IA becomes a multiplier. Skip it, and you're just faster at being average. Skill 3: relationships. And this is the one AI literally cannot do for you. AI can write the message. It can be the reason someone trusts you. In my businesses, deals don't close because of a perfect email. They close because a real person picked it up, remembered a detail about the customer, and followed through when they said they would. Trust is earned in human moments. AI doesn't get to attend. So here's the trade most people get backwards. They use AI to sound more human to strangers and stay too busy for the actual humans. I flip it. AI handles the admin volume, follow ups, reminders, first drafts, so that I have time for the real conversations. Automated the busy work, show up for the people. Skill 4: the most important and the most ignored: agency. AI does what you ask. The hard part, the human part, is knowing what's worth asking for in the first place. AI has zero agency. It waits. You initiate. Agency is deciding what to build, what to ignore, which problem is even worth solving. AI can execute a plan brilliantly and still take you nowhere if it's the wrong plan, and it will never tell you it's the wrong plan. This is a skill that compounds. I don't use AI to answer questions. I use it to chase the things I decided matter: launch the rental side business, build my own tool instead of buying one, automate the part of my week that was killing me. The deciding is 100% human. The doing is where AI 10x is me. If you only train one of these four, train this one. Judgment, taste, and relationships all get pointed by agency. It's the steering wheel. Okay, so how do you actually get sharper at this on purpose? Here's the weekly habit I use: 4 questions, 5 minutes every Friday. Judgment: where did I accept an AI answer I should have challenged? Taste: what did I ship that was just fine? Relationships. Which human conversation did I avoid because I was busy? Agency. Did I spend the week on what I chose or what was just in front of me? Write one honest line for each. Do it for a month and you'll feel the muscle. I made a one page version of this. Link in the description free. No email needed if you don't want. So, four skills AI will never replace: judgment, picking the right answer and owning it; taste, knowing which one is actually good; relationships, the trust only you can earn; agency, deciding what's worth doing at all. I isn't coming for this. It's exposing them, making them the difference between people who get leverage from AI and people who get replaced by the person who has it. Get sharper at these four. And it's not even close which one you'll be. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down how I run real businesses with AI every week, operator to operator. The worksheet's in the description. See you in the next one.